Okay, so looking at this problem here, we know that we are told that x squared is equal, or y is equal to x squared, and x is less than 0, so it's the negative half of the parabola. So when I'm going to find the inverse, what I have, a couple ways to think about it. I'm going to reflect it over this line y equals x, and then I see what graph I actually get. And so I can see that it's really going to be this one kind of here, or this is the point negative 1, 1, and it's going to switch to 1, negative 1, and so on and so forth. And so algebraically, or just graphically, what I'm doing is I'm looking at this is going to be the y is equal to negative square root of x. I know the x values all have to be positive values, and the range would be y is less than or equal to 0. Now if I think about here's the domain. The range of this is y is bigger than or equal to 0. And so when I go to my domain range here, they switch around as well. And this is going to be negative root x.